I will start continuity equation. Actually, what is continuity equation? Continuity equation is actually mathematical statement of the principle of conservation of mass. This principle states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed. On the basis of this principle, continuity equation is derived. If an incompressible liquid is continuously flowing through a pipe or a channel, whose cross-sectional area may or may not be constant. The quantity of liquid flowing for flowing fluid or passing through the second is the same at all sections. This is known as equation of continuity of flow. Let us consider two cross-section of a pipe as shown in the figure. Suppose A1, let us the two pipes 1 1 and 2 2. Suppose A1 cross-sectional area of the pipe at section 1 dash 1. B1 velocity of flow at section 1 dash 1. Then row 1 density of flow at section 1 dash 1. Similarly, at section 2 dash 2, A2 is equal to cross-sectional area at section 2 dash 2, B2 velocity of flow at section 2 dash 2, and a row 2. Row 2 is the density of flow at section 2 dash 2. Then total quantity of fluid passing through the section 1 dash 1 is equal to row 1 A1 B1. Similarly, quantity of liquid flowing at section 2 dash 2 is equal to row 2 A2 B2. According to the law of conservation of mass, then the rate of flow at section 1 dash 1 is equal to rate of flow at section 2 dash 2. That means row 1 A1 B1 is equal to row 2 A2 B2. This equation is applicable both compressible and incompressible fluid and is called continuity equation. But in case of incompressible fluids, row 1 is equal to row 2. Then equation 1, then the equation 1 becomes A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2. Then this is the continuity equation. Now I am discuss about one problem. The diameter of a pipe at the section 1 dash 1 and 2 dash 2 are 200 mm and 300 mm. Let us consider the diameter of a pipe at section 1 dash 1 is equal to 200 mm and the diameter of pipe 2 dash 2 is equal to 300 mm. If the velocity of water flowing through the pipe at section 1 dash 1 is equal to 4 meter per second, that means here D1 is equal to 200 mm and V1 is equal to 4 meter per second. But here D2 is equal to 300 mm. Then find out discharge through the pipe 1 dash 1 and discharge through the pipe at section 1 dash 1 and velocity of water at section 2 dash 2. When B2 is means, that means velocity of flow at section 2 dash 2. Here D1 is equal to 200 mm is equal to 200 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.2 meter. Then A1 is equal to pi by 4 D1 square. That means pi by 4 into 0.2 square is equal to 0.0314 meter square. Here V1 is equal to 4 meter per second given. Similarly, at section 2-2 d2 is equal to 300 mm. That means 300 mm divided by 1000 is equal to 0.3 meter. Here a2 is equal to pi by 4 d2 ro square. That means pi by 4 into 0.3 square is equal to 0.0707 meter square. Now we find V2. But how? We know that A1 V1 from continuity equation, A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Then V2 is equal to A1 V1 by A2 is equal to A1 is equal to 0.0314 into V1 is equal to 4 divided by A2. A2 is equal to 0.0707. That is equal to V2 is equal to 1.77 meter per second. This is the bit 2. But bit 1, we find out what is the discharge. Discharge through the pipe. We know that Q1 is equal to Q1 means discharge. Discharge or rate of flow. Rate of flow is equal to A1 V1. So A1 is equal to 0.0314 into V. V1 means 4 meter per second. That is equal to 0.1256. Here unit is meter cube per second. This is the question number 1, the answer.